1 Minute English. In this 1-minute lesson, we're going to have a look at some different meanings for take off. Take off means to remove something. We can use take off for clothes, glasses, shoes, jewelry, and makeup. For example, I feel hot, so I'll take off my jacket. Take off also means when an airplane starts to fly. For example, you must fasten your seatbelt when the airplane takes off. Another meaning for take off is to get some time away from work. For example, I took a week off to travel to Hawaii. Give it a go. Try making a sentence using take off and leave it in the comments below.